feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust.
So yun guys, what's up? Pasensya na, dito ako nag-guitar sa banyo kasi ang daming tao and baka makapirit ako sa music. Tapos ang init sa labas. So yun, nakita nyo na, nag-warm up na ako. Leg day kami ngayon. Never skip leg day. So nag-stretching na ako. Kung nakita nyo, yun ay stretching at saka warm up. Yung leg extension, 3 sets, 15 repeats. Tapos mag-start na yung tunay na set natin. So kung hinihintay natin, let's go.
For change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. At night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you can never replace it. She can get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement.
Ayan natin mo, may tiga-5-5 pa.
Nakawa na ako sa kanila.
Napakainit pa naman sa loob.
Init yan dito, grabe yun.
Yung huling press ko nga, pre. Yung huling press ko, na-stuck na, wala na napasok na hangin sa akin.
Yung isa kong tinuturuan, nahilo na, umuwi na. Ayun, sobrang init.
Ito yung final set namin, may walkie lunges pa ako.
Good statement, there is no replacement. A body by say she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Lalo ako ng coke. Lalo ako ng coke para kaibigan mo lang.
Got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from...
Dalawang tinatamaan sa akin, pre. Yung likod, kasi yung lower back.
Oo nga, ganun nga yun. Ganun nga yun.
Unang subo ko ngayon, nag-ganun ako.
Babalik nyo, mag-iinom daw kami. May inom mga kasi dito, ayun no.
Ito mo.
Ayun naman sila to. So, babalik ako. Alam niyo na yung babalik, di ba?
Ako bawal ako niyan. Hi!
Bye! Bye!
Mamaya, pre.
My mind starts feeling, I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is
It's
a tough
9th day ngayon, so medyo hindi medyo talagang madami ng tao ngayon, no. So yun, okay naman, nagawa ko naman yung routine. So panigurado bukas, hirap na naman ako maglakad. Then, nauna na umuwi si Coach kasi kanina pa siya. Siyempre, unawain naman natin. Tapos, ayun, gusto ko sabihin na maraming salamat sa panonood. Siyempre, like, share, subscribe pa rin pa kayo kay Coach. So, keep watching guys. Marami pang susunod. At, nantayin nyo yung magiging bagong content ko kasi mag-guest ako ng lucky subscriber. Yan, antayin nyo yan. Malapit na yan. Possible yan. Maglalabas ako ng bagong video which is sasabihin ko kung ano ang magiging show natin na mag-guest ang lucky subscribers natin. Every video yan guys. So paano? Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Subscribe ulit kayo. Yan, dyan kay paring Glenn. So see you on the next video. Pag ito na naman ang closing natin.
Live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine.